Hey, welcome to the Beers Jack of Barbecue. Check out the Wagyu Chuck Eyes we cooked on the SNS Kettle. Yeah, so we ordered a few different meats this winter and trying to get a few different ones done, but got some Wagyu Chuck Eyes. I think I forgot to say it before too, but I'm Craig Manhire here on Camera's Jack, but you all know that already. So, so I sold these about 3 hours in advance. Got the SNS Kettle just set up, gonna be hot and fast. Full searing the whole time, just getting these to about 122, 123. They'll rise to 130 as they sit and rest for us to get ready. So won't be a long cook. It'll be a good one. Chuck eyes are always called the poor man's ribeye. It's what I ate for many, many years when I was in my younger days. So let's get these on the grill. All right, we're gonna get these on and start the searing process. I'm trying to use up some old coals, so we'll see what happens here. It's about a minute. It's a good start. All right, got another minute going there. Probably do a check reading before I flip them the next time just to see where we're at, because these will go fast. All right, about another minute there. This one really wants to fall apart on me. It's getting there, but yeah, with these being thin, these are going to be like, we might be too far already. Now there's a 112 or so. I was hitting fat before, that's what it was. Not too much longer though, because we're okay with some rare spots here and there with everything else getting done. Try to do another reading now that I can see a little better. I found some lesser spots before. Yeah, I think we're a little bit more, then I'm gonna yank them off, because we're gonna have some rare spots in there, but we're also gonna have some parts that are all done too much already. It's almost looking like this side's pretty decent. This side needs a little more. All right, gonna pull them off, because again, see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. 2 Wagyu Chuck Eyes on the SNS Kettle. Now you saw it was, all we did was pretty much front sear this thing all the way, because they aren't real thick. It is kind of tough to make sure I got the temperatures right, because thin parts, thick parts, fatty parts. But we'll see what we did here. Readings were okay. We'll see what happens when I said cut them in. But did it about, I think about 6 minutes total is all it really was. Fire wasn't quite as hot as what I liked, but I was kind of dealing with some old charcoal in there, but I'm trying to use up. I always try to use it up before throwing it out, before using it. So I threw a couple fresh coals in, but the rest was all older charcoal. So seemed to work out okay. Let's see how we did. Well, there's a touch of medium rare in there, I think. But super tender. Yeah, I think we caught medium rare. Wow, that was a good bite. That was super tender. And with a little bit of salt that was even on there, even though I didn't get it to soak in completely like I like to, by cooking with it, it really kind of cooked in there. So got an okay sear on this, not great, but it's gonna be a good dinner. Hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.